Kamjal and I stand at the antipodes of Earth, on the other side of the universe, gazing at the luminous portal to the Drogism. Surrounding us are palm trees, and in front of them we see a large turtle with a big spider on its shell. The infrared radiation from Betelgeuse prevents Earth from evolving spiritually. When we pass Betelgeuse, we become free from Drogism's radiation. I receive seals on my forehead, arms, legs, and testicles to protect me from Drogism's codes on Earth. Humans are victims of Drogism. Drogism means that extraterrestrial beings, like the Anunnuki, have embedded constantly changing codes in our genes to enslave our spiritual bodies. Our spiritual bodies work for the Anunnuki for 5 nanoseconds at regular intervals, preventing our physical bodies from connecting with our spiritual beings. These codes and their creators are the Drogism. The Grey, for example, is here to free us from these codes and the Drogism. This Drogism has existed on other worlds as well, but the inhabitants there have overcome it. I'm not alone in saying this. I've read an article on a UFO site describing these codes, likely from the Disclosure Organization. Gnosticism and the Nag Hammadi scriptures also speak of Archons. These are non-organic parasites, a kind of alien that is not consciously evil, merely parasitic and emotionless. They function like small computer programs that inhabit humanity. When I read about these Archons, it reminds me of the Drogism I've learned about from the humanoids. If we connect with our spiritual beings, we risk becoming aware of Drogism and learning to deal with it. As physical beings, we are slaves to the Anunnuki in recurring 5 nanosecond periods, during which our spiritual bodies work on meaningless tasks at a terrifying speed. This makes us, as physical beings, feel very tired and overworked, and we don't reach a higher level of consciousness, which the Anunnuki want to avoid. They want to keep us at a low collective level of consciousness that is easy to control. The codes function as a random number generator with a constantly changing sequence in our DNA, making them incredibly difficult to track. Palian, a small gray and my first guide, calls this the Drogism, while we humans call it Archons.